Hello, practical mechanicians. Welcome back for a quick video on replacing the rear brake light on a Toyota Sienna. This is a 2006 Sienna. Before you begin, here's a pro tip. It is real easy to break the plastic snaps if you don't do this right. But if you know where they are and which direction to pull, it's a breeze. Okay, let's get to it. First thing I need to say is I am so sorry for the dirty car. I apologize deeply and I'm full of regret. I should have washed it before this video, especially knowing that this video will now be here for the rest of eternity. If this disturbs you, please leave a comment. Alright, with that out of the way, what you'll need for this is a 10mm socket and a new bulb, part number 7443. This is a dual filament bulb that lights up when the lights are on, and then the other filament lights up when you press the brakes. So, open the trunk of the van. Take your 10mm ratchet and remove the two bolts holding the light fixture in place. Once those are out, you want to carefully pull the housing out sideways, parallel to the wheel axles. Pull it outward away from the vehicle to pop out these two pegs from their receptacles. Oh, the dust. Now, the bulb we are replacing here is the bottom one. Rotate the bulb housing counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn and pull it out. So here is our burnt out bulb. Next, gently pull the old bulb out of the brown housing. It might not be a bad idea to wear some gloves in case it shatters. Here you can see the two separate filaments. Here's the new bulb. I'll put a link to these in the video description. They are not expensive. The part number you want is 7443. So here we have the old and the new bulbs side by side. So now take the new bulb. It doesn't matter which direction you put it in. Then press it into the housing nice and tight. Feed it back into the slot and give it a twist clockwise this time. Wow, if I were a better person, I would clean out all this dust and dirt. But ain't nobody got time for that. So now we're ready to put the light back on. Line up the pegs with their respective holes. And give it a nice tap to seat those. Now we can put the two 10mm bolts back in. Okay, my wife needs to take the vehicle right now, so I'll ask her to press the brake. Ah, great, works perfectly. We'll just try to finish tightening this before she pulls away. And that should do it. The vehicle is now on its way with both brake lights intact. Don't risk getting pulled over, change those ASAP. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you have a story-worthy week.